Ward High-Tech have a huge variety of machines in stock, and with that in mind, add that to a quirky, beneficial finance deal to you, the buyer. Let's take a look at a dialing machine that you can get your hands on. You've chosen the machine that you want, so how can Ward High-Tech hold your hand along the buying process? Right, you can reduce your tax bill by £24,700 for every £100,000 spent on a new machine that is in stock here at Ward High-Tech. You can use the super deduction offer alongside Ward High-Tech's buy now, pay nothing until summer 2023. You can also trade in your old machine and use that as a deposit. So in some instances, you're not paying anything until summer 2023. And now this needs to be all sorted by March the 31st. So get in touch with Ward High-Tech now, because your machine can be making you money on your shop floor.